Here we are with another unboxing video. As some of you may know from watching other videos, tools at my place are a premium now. So I thought, what better than to get a drill that somebody that's on a budget is going to buy. Now this could be a kid in high school working out in the driveway, need the drill, ain't got a lot of money. You know, I remember those days in high school when you're making $7.25 an hour at the local burger joint. And you're only bringing home about $100 every 2 weeks because you're not working that many hours. Well, okay, I also have another drill, and we're going to do this in another video where we're actually going to compare this brand new drill from Harbor Freight to an old drill that you could possibly pick up at a thrift store or a pawn shop for about the same price. So be watching for that video, but this video is just going to be the unboxing of this one. Oh yeah. And of course it's got that Chinese smell. Comes the obligatory owner's manual. Ooh, owner's manual makes it seem like you're getting more than you are. And in a way, this, you know, just from what it looks like on the box, it looks like an old Black & Decker D1000 that Black & Decker used to make in the 90s. Great drills, great drills. Have one till the fire. So, keyless chuck. Now the sad thing about this drill is that it is only a 3/8. It's only going to accept a 3/8 shank drill bit. Now, if you've got full-sized half-inch drill bits, they ain't going to fit in here. But if you've got step-down half-inch drill bits, it's going to fit in the hole, no problem. What do we got for a cord? 18 American wire gauge. Wow. Double insulated so that you don't have to have the third prong. Now, you got one hell of a cord here. Keep that in mind for the next video that we're going to be doing on this drill. Not a bad trigger, but you can clearly tell that it's not got a full variable speed like it wants to claim. I'm thinking that this is probably just a 2-speed drill, and it's got the kill ya button right on the side, and it is reversible, so for those times that you do get stuck in wood or steel, you don't have to go grab the good old pair of vice grips and start heaving and hauling. Now, like I said, you do get a pretty substantial sized cord. I don't know what they say in the owner's manual how long a cord you get, but you do get a fairly good sized cord. And I probably won't do it on video because I don't have it right next to me, but I'll leave it in the comments how in the description how long this cord is. And I'm gonna show you that I can reach all the way over the wall, and let's see, is it gonna spin once, let smoke out, or is it gonna frickin' ride? Oh boy. Not good for Harbor Freight. Oh boy. Let's check. Plug in. The plugins in this apartment are horrible. There we go. And the chuck, it's a keyless chuck, so I'm not expecting great quality. And oh, something nice, you got a bubble level there for those times that you need to be drilling straight. So yay. And I wholeheartedly believe that this drill's got enough power to drill a 1/2-inch hole in mild steel with proper drill bit. Now, pricing on this is 30 bucks, so I'm not expecting perfection, but actually for the price and, you know, that feel the hand thing, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. And the bloody outlet would ever work, but and yeah. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Stay tuned for the video where I compare this to one that you probably get at a thrift store. If you haven't seen the I Need Help video, please go watch that. Please subscribe. Please comment. Rate. And I'll see you on the next one.